Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Chase Bank to Cash App. Now, it's a really simple process, so let's get started and follow along step by step, guys. So, first things first, open up the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Okay, if you don't have Cash App yet, don't worry, guys. Just download it from the App Store, Google Play Store, and just create an account. And once you're in the app, this is what I want you to do. Okay, once you're in the app, I want you to tap on the banking icon at the bottom left of the screen, which basically looks like a house with a dollar sign. And then I want you to tap on Add a Bank or Link Bank if you haven't already linked your Chase bank account. Just select Chase from the list of banks and follow the prompts to log in into your Chase account. And this will, surely, guys, surely connect your Chase to your Cash App. So basically, what I want you to do is you select Chase from the list of banks and you want to follow the prompts to log into your Chase account. And this will connect you. And once your account is linked, guys, you want to do this. I want you to go back to the Cash App home screen and tap on the Add Funds button. Okay, so here they're gonna prompt you to select the amount you actually wish to transfer, and just enter the amount you wish to move from your Chase account into Cash App, and then it just tap on Add. For that, guys, you want to confirm the transfer by using your PIN or Touch ID to authorize it. The funds should appear in your Cash App balance almost immediately, guys. And that's it, guys. You have basically successfully transferred money from your Chase bank account to Cash App. So if this video helped, guys, be sure to like, okay, smash that like button. And guys, I want you to subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions, and turn on that bell notification so I can see you guys in the next video.